Hi, I am Matthew Link. I study math and physics at Calvin College. I was a 2016 REU student of the DISC program at Notre Dame. Over that summer, I worked with Professor Lannon on modern data analytic approaches in particle physics. Have you ever wanted to not wait for something? Maybe it's your morning commute. You wish you could step out the door and instantly get to work, instead of spending time stuck in traffic. Or maybe it's dinner time and you're starving. You really wish those last few minutes on the oven timer would just disappear. It turns out that physicists also don't like waiting. Specifically, particle physicists would love it if their data analysis was instant. Particle physics asks questions about the most fundamental constituents of the universe. To answer these questions, physicists collide protons together at incredibly high speeds and use the results to piece together a story which describes how the fundamental particles were interacting. However, not every collision is interesting. Many of them are not going to shed light on any new physics. So physicists generate tons of collisions. This leaves them with a massive pile of data that they have to dig through to get to the interesting results. To do this, they will take an iterative approach. They will start by saying, all the data having this characteristic in it won't be interesting, so we're going to throw it away. Then they'll apply more and more complicated selections, which will refine their dataset to a smaller, manageable-sized one. At these late stages, the turnaround time on the selection process is incredibly important. The late stages are where the physicists are applying their creativity to generate fantastic new ideas to getting to interesting results. They would like to take their plan, throw it at the data, and instantly get feedback about what's going to have to be changed or if they're going to need a new approach. However, they throw their plan at the data, they wait, they get their results back, change some stuff, then send their plan back at the data, and then they have to wait again. This time spent waiting is time that they are not doing physics, and they would love to minimize this waiting time. It turns out that the private sector has been working on tools that do exactly what the physicists want, tools that will quickly spin through the data. Our research focused on employing a commercially available column store database to a particle physics analysis. We compared the speed of analysis written by a moderately experienced graduate student in the traditional tools to that same analysis written in the database by a completely novice user. While not comparing the top-of-the-line performance, this comparison hints at how a typical user might make use of the tools. We found that the database performed roughly 10 times faster, suggesting that it may be a step to limiting the amount of time physicists spend waiting. Thank you.